Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Brew with Memli. And today I'm glad to introduce you to our new limited coffee, once again from Granja La Esperanza. We don't introduce them anymore. This time we have the Sidra wash process. Last time I introduced you to the Sidra natural in the beginning of spring with a lot of tropical notes, some floral, very sweet cup of coffee. This time is the same variety, but in hybrid washed, where the coffees were fermented in cherries for just a shy 40 hours, then in mucilage, and then the classic wash process. We're going to use 12 grams of coffee for 200 grams of water at 92 degrees Celsius with 4 equal pour. The classical recipe to just introduce you to the flavors to expect. And I also do. So on the fragrance, we have a lot of melon. It's not tropical here like mangoes, pineapple. It's more on that melony cantaloupe notes. Some berries, floral, and quite sweet. All right, let's bring the water. So this sidra is grown at Finca Potosi between 1400 and 2000 meters above sea level. Sidra is a marriage between Typica and Bourbon. Wow. Much more floral than expected and very herbal as well. Very beautiful flowers here on this washed Sidra. At 40 seconds, my second pour. My grind size is on 8 on my Deeding, which is about 16 on your Baratza or 25-ish, 24 on your Comandante. It's a beautiful coffee, very floral as we're brewing, and then I start getting some melon, some cantaloupe here, little bit of berries. On the cupping, I had some white chocolate, very delicate, very sweet, not too sweet, but not too bitter at all. So this is one of my favorite cup of coffee, and I wanted to have a beginning of summer coffee. So this is the perfect cup for that. And I finished brewing at 2 minutes. And we should be done below 3 minutes here. And we are, so I call time or done when the first layer is getting dry. I don't wait for the entire remaining water to pass through. And we're done at 2 minutes 48. Here we go. Now let's smell our coffee. Wow. Oh, instead of having some of that white chocolate, it's very interesting because white chocolate is much more milky, right, than chocolatey. Oh wow, it's so defined, especially on the aroma, where we still have some floral, white chocolate. Yeah, mostly floral, white chocolate. Cantaloupe is arriving next, but see the cantaloupe or melon is not as intense as what some herbal infusion can be or white chocolate can be, and very shy berries here. What I'm gonna do here, I'm going to taste it in 2 cups. And in 1 cup, I'll be using Apax Lab Tonik. This will sort of emphasize a little bit more the vibrancy of the coffee. If you want a full review on the different minerals used, it's very interesting because I'm used to mineralizing my water, but never my brew, and that's why I was really interested into knowing that. So that makes it quite vibrant and juicy by just adding usually 4 to 6 drops in a brew, but since I split it, I'll put half. All right, let's see what we have in flavor. Extremely complex. So usually when we taste coffee, we have the beginning, the middle of the tongue, the finish with different notes. Here, it doesn't like come straight to your face, and then you have all those different aromas, right? Or flavors. It all comes balanced, complex throughout your tongue. So it's a little bit harder to discern a little bit. You need some time. Mm. Definitely the cantaloupe, the white chocolate, the floral. Mm. A bit of strawberry, but really towards the end some strawberry. But I love the way something sweet like white chocolate can also be very defined and very clean with a lot of depth. Let's try the one with the mineral. Much more vibrant, much vibrant. It's very interesting. Let's check acidity here. Hmm. Very round, structured, very elegant acidity. Not super high and citric, but very balanced. But with this, really bumped the brightness, and I would give like a maybe 0.25 increase in acidity because it makes it a little bit livelier. This will make it very clean, very delicate, but sometimes you need that little kick of brightness. And you can do it with a coarser grind size, but in a brew, because by grinding finer, you also extract some sweetness. This gives a very good option to actually add the sweetness and the acidity. Remember that acidity helps to elevate sweetness. Mm, beautiful. But I have to score, of course, the classic one. Texture here, it's super silky. Mm. Medium, medium hard, but very silky, very high quality on the texture. Same here. Body doesn't change much with this add-on. This is really the brightness which affects your perception of flavor. Like here, I get less of the white chocolate, for example, and I get more of the floral and the fruits. Yeah, the white chocolate comes in the finish, but here it's a bit more balanced. The classic one, sweetness. Mm. I also score sweetness because every coffee has a different sweetness. I don't score it like the SCA with the different marks. It's not jammy here. It's more like a rich and balanced sweetness. Last but not least, the aftertaste. Super clean, super clean. Little short, but very clean and smooth. And here it's even shorter, at the borderline of dry maybe. And it says that if the coffee becomes dry, you may have put too much of it. So maybe because it's just 1 cup, I should have put 2 drops instead of 4, because I feel little dryness. So it's a great tool to kind of bump your brew. That's when you know that it's a great cup of coffee, right? That's our Sidra washed from Granja La Esperanza. That was our Sidra washed from Granja La Esperanza from Finca Potosi. It's our newest limited edition coffee. We only have about 20 bags of this coffee in a 100-gram size. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your coffee friends. And see you next time for more videos.